Pay attention, Rhyme.
What? Is there gonna be a test after this?
You say that like it's stupid.
It is stupid. It's cold and clinical and boring. I mean, 16 hours? Honestly, Reason, I'm being mean, aren't I?
No, not at all. Tell me, how do you plan on fixing the Anthropocene extinction?
I'd scrap the video for a start. Humans hate being told things. They've got to feel them. That's where I come in, right? Humans used to make art. They made birdhouses and columns and teacups and that freaky disc we found. I mean, nothing else does that, Reason. Isn't it crazy?
I suppose. What purpose does it serve?
It's not about what it does, it's about what it means. How does it make you feel, Reason?
It feels like it's stupid.
You're right. What was I thinking? I'm gonna show him my wind chimes.
Rhyme.
Ooh, or my Fabergé eggs.
Rhyme.
Maybe my tuba.
Rhyme. This isn't going to help.
It'll remind them what they're good for. Maybe make them work together. I've got it! Penny farthing!
You are not going to end the famine with your penny farthing.